Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Remember how I went on by saying that nobody does detail pour, which is just pouring paints into details or an image. So this was actually my second piece of detail pour that I did of a tiger's face, and I did it on a 50 times 50 centimeters canvas. So I started off with the eye, and then I poured paint in detail according to where the black marks should be. And then I just go on and apply or pour different colors and layers of paints here and there before doing a chain pull technique. So, right, so let me just spread out the paints first. Remember to torch after applying on your paints because you don't want a lot of bubbles. And then I'm just going to place the chain there. Sorry, this was quite the first time of me filming my art, so yeah, my head was in the way. Okay, so I have a reference which I use, and then I'll try to get the white there we go, the white marks of the tiger out. So my paints are a little bit thick so that I can pull it and the shape will remain as it is. If the paint is very watery, then you might not be able to get a really nice chain pull to it. And then I go on with the rest of the parts of the tiger. So I go on and repeat the same steps by pouring paints in details on in parts that mattered, and then after that I'm just going to do a swipe and a chain pull technique to it. There are also parts where I do partial bloom techniques because I like different flows and different styles and combine everything into one painting. So yeah, enjoy the video. Now this part is crucial because I can't finish this painting in one day. So what I did was I faded the paint out at half the face of the tiger, and then I continue on another part another day. So I call this the stitch technique. So basically I pour paste and lay dry there because I have no choice. It's gonna dry anyway. And then the next day you have to learn how to stitch the paintings back together so that it looks like it's done in a day, but it's not. this is the final result. It's awesome. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys again. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.